Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing an overview of the blade skins for Aurora that I've been working on. I'm just here to answer a few questions that has been asked and to let you know what the future update will be like. So let's get started off and let's go into our file manager and see how the skin is set up. So whenever time you're transferring the skin over, you would have your USB plugged in and you will go to Aurora skin folder, and this is where you would put the blade skin itself, the XZP file. For the layout, because you will need those layouts for the skin to work properly, that will go into the media folder and layouts, and you will need layouts A, B, and C because each layout is tailored to the size library you have, depending on how much games you have. All right. So in getting the skin up and going, you would do what you would normally do to change skins. You press on your B button and you go to skin, go over to change, and then you will select the blade dash. Then you'll press the back button, go to restart, and that will get you into the blade skin. Now, whenever time the blade skin starts, your landing screen will be blank. That is one of the bugs that will be fixed in the next version. Your navigation will be your RB and LB button. So RB will take you over to File Explorer. And use LB and RB to navigate through the File Explorer as you would normally do. Just LB again or RB again. You'll be over to the System menu. You can still change your temperature using the X button. And you'll have your script button. You can go through and do what you normally do. And these menu will be revised and the UI will be rebuilt to resemble more of the blade skins. One of the questions was asked, will the font and layout button be like the original blade skin? And yes, it will be. So I would actually use the same font that's on the blade skin and actually the same button icon. Going over to the gaming blade, you see that it's not configured properly. That's where we go to personalization and we go into themes, go over to layout, and we'll choose one of the blade layouts. Let's start with this one. Then you tab back over to games, and there you'll have your layout. And each layout is tailored to the size of your library. So if your library is not very big, the different layout you can actually do for that. Let's try the other layout. Okay. So you still have access to your privacy and security. You can go through, you can configure things that you would normally do in the original Aurora skins. One of the bugs that you will encounter is on the game blade where your detail button will bring up game details, but there's a bug where it won't show the game that you're on until you use the trigger button to do so, and that menu can not be exited. That's one of the bugs also. So you press on your Y button, it'll bring that up, and there's a notification that tells you about the bug. And you can press your trigger button to go on whatever game there is. all these menus still works. So you still can see your DLC and updates and everything, but you're just unable to exit this menu. All right. So normally you can press your RB until you get out, and you can change back to the regular skin. And that will put you back into Aurora. So just giving a brief overview of the skins and all the changes that will be made. I will be doing my best to fix most of the bugs. There's no documentation on anything regarding Aurora and how to do things, so it's mostly trial and error. There are times where I make one little change and the skin just stop working altogether, and I have to start back over from my last working project. So it will take some time, but it will get done. And as for people using soft mods like bad avatar or bad update, yes, this skin can work on that also. And in the future release, the skin will be able to work on those soft mod also. I will also do tests to make sure that it works properly. All right, so thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.